Okay, it is time for that workout. So I want everybody to do me a favor and have a seat in your chair. Once you're in your chair, I want you to palms up and we're gonna make a nice circle. Circling it here. There you go. 8, 7, perfect. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Good. So now I want you to lift your right leg up and then you can bring it out. If you have to pull it up to help lift it, that's fine, but we want you to lift it up and bring it out. Perfect. We're going to do 4 more of those. Just very easy because I want you to get your body moving. 3 more. If I'm moving fast, remember you can watch it again and then you can just practice at home. You could just practice. You might already be at home. Ready? So I'm lifting, extending, taking it down, and releasing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. So now I want everybody to do me a favor, and I need for you to lift your butt up, touch your toe, and then I want you to sit back down. I want you to lift your butt up, touch your toe, and sit back down. 1 more, and that might be an advanced move for you. If you find yourself getting dizzy, then of course, you won't do that move. Ready? Arms are gonna come up. So I want your arms up, and then I want you to bring them down at your chest. Once it's there, lift your right leg up, and then bring your arms back up. Bring it down, and look, I'm gonna do the same thing on the left side. So, see that knee bends? So all I'm doing is bringing it here and extending that leg at the knee. Good job. We'll do 1 more, moving that body just to demonstrate, and so you can always do as many as you can. Relax. So look at my palms apart. I'm squeezing my biceps and releasing. So right now, I do not have weights in my hand, as you can see. If you have weights, I'd rather you have your weights here at your side. Squeeze it up, then release. Squeeze it up, and then release. So if you have weights, they're here. If you don't have weights, bring it here. Squeeze it up, and release. Perfect. Now that I'm here, everybody, I don't want you slouching. I want your shoulders back. And then my palms are up, and I'm going to take my arm and extend it across my body. Extend it across your body like it's a cross punch. Cross punch. And I want you to break that brick. 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 1 more. Break that brick. Okay. Ready? So, if you can stand, you go to that counter. Your hands are on your counter. And I need for you to take your body chest toward the counter and push your body up. Just like I'm doing on this chair. 1, 2. 1, 2. If you can do a push-up on your knees, that's fine. But the people I'm working with, they may not be able to. So I want you to be able to push your body weight up, right? You're going to feel it in your chest and your arms, and it's okay. There you go. Good. So now that your hands are on your counter or on your chair, you're going to lift that right leg up and hold it. And then you're going to take it down. You're going to do that left side. And you'll take it down. Ready? You'll do hold. 1, 2, 3. Down. And this is movement for my core, for my booty, for my lower back, for my legs, right? Leaning on the counter, that's helping my upper body, and relax. So